Hey everyone! Today I want to walk you through a super simple trick for repurposing your long videos. We're turning those horizontal interviews into ready-to-post social media clips without the manual cutting hassle. I'll show you exactly how I use this specific tool to nail the best moments automatically. It finds the exciting parts, crops them perfectly for vertical screens, and even handles the posting schedule. Stop babysitting your social accounts and let the AI do the heavy lifting for you. The very first requirement is that the platform works best with a single finished video file. This means every camera angle and every edit needs to be baked into one continuous layer. If you're coming from a professional editor, export your final timeline as one consolidated clip. Separate audio or video tracks from your project won't be accepted by the system. Make sure that single exported file is what you have ready to go. Now you simply upload that single file and select the repurpose or create clips function. The interface is incredibly clean, letting you just drag your video right onto the screen. Next, select the exact clip durations you need for your target platforms, like 15 or 60 seconds. You can optionally enter some keywords to guide the AI on what themes to prioritize. Targeting specific topics like key takeaways or best advice really speeds things up. After setting those preferences, just hit the Generate button and let the artificial intelligence take over. The system then thoroughly scans your entire recording to find the most engaging segments. It specifically looks for moments featuring high energy, strong punchlines, or dense information delivery. Once done, a whole batch of suggested short clips is instantly ready for your review. You can preview every single generated cut right there in the interface. Reading the synced transcript helps you verify precisely why that specific section was chosen. If the AI nailed the perfect highlight, you can download it immediately for posting. But if it missed the mark, don't worry, because full editing tools are available for adjustments. One feature that is an absolute game changer is the speaker-aware automatic framing. For any video with multiple people, the AI intelligently focuses the crop on whoever is currently speaking. This produces that crisp, single-person focus that looks fantastic on vertical platforms. However, we all know AI isn't flawless in every situation, especially with movement. Sometimes the box follows someone who just paused or highlights the incorrect person during crosstalk. Luckily, the system provides simple ways to correct these minor framing imperfections instantly. Simply open the problematic clip inside the dedicated editing workspace. You will immediately see clear controls for selecting which speaker should be featured in the crop. There are dedicated buttons to cycle through each participant or even choose a two-person view. Select the correct person, and the system instantly snaps the framing onto them. If you need to fine-tune the positioning manually, look for the Framing Adjustment tool. Click the small pencil icon next to the speaker's name to activate manual drag and drop. Drag the bounding box around the subject until the composition looks exactly how you want it. Hit Apply, and this new frame setting will be consistently applied to every single cut of that speaker. You are not locked into one framing style across all your generated clips, thankfully. A clip that's a deeper conversation might need both people visible in the frame. Meanwhile, a quick reaction moment benefits from a super tight crop on just one person. The tool empowers you to set these preferences uniquely for every single segment you create. Beyond just the crop, it functions as a complete, simplified, social-focused editing suite. You can easily drop in supplementary images or overlay custom background music tracks. Plus, you have full control over subtitle styling and the entire timeline arrangement if needed. We should briefly compare this to other popular video editing solutions on the market. Tools like Descript offer excellent transcription services for speaker detection capabilities. However, scaling up those services often becomes quite expensive very quickly for teams. Even then, exporting consistent multi-aspect ratio clips often requires multiple manual steps. On the other hand, free mobile apps like CapCut are flexible for quick edits. But achieving consistent, speaker-aware vertical crops across an entire long video is very tedious there. Many other automated clip generators create a pile of files without any organizational system. You get the clips, but you still have no built-in content calendar to manage the posting. This is precisely the gap where this service truly separates itself from the competition. It moves beyond mere clip creation to actively assisting with smart and strategic publishing. The auto-edit viral clips function intelligently searches for those truly high-potential moments for you. This feature eliminates the need to manually sift through hours of raw recording material. Once you approve a batch of clips, the auto-schedule feature comes into play next. You set your desired posting cadence, and the platform queues everything up automatically. Say goodbye to having to manually upload a new video every single day. Furthermore, the integrated content calendar gives you a visual preview of your entire posting plan. You can easily rearrange clips or publish across multiple social channels from that single dashboard. For any creator focused on consistency without hiring a dedicated social media manager, this is revolutionary. Let's get back to some practical tips for maximizing your generation results next time. Remember that entering specific topics guides the AI to find more relevant sound bites instantly. This focused approach saves significant time when searching for that perfect quotable soundbite. Don't hesitate to run the same source video through the tool multiple times. Experiment with generating different length presets for maximum platform versatility. A sharp 15-second clip might crush it on TikTok, for example. However, a longer 45 to 60-second version works better for a YouTube short. Generating varied options ensures you always have the right format ready for any post. Making small corrections to any generated clip is surprisingly straightforward within the editor. If the framing is slightly off, simply go back and correct the speaker selection. Should the automatically generated subtitles contain an error, you can directly edit the transcript text. When you change the text in the transcript, the corresponding subtitles update everywhere automatically. To align with your brand, you can easily select custom fonts and specific color palettes for captions. Adding atmospheric background music is simple thanks to the built-in music library provided. You retain control over the volume mix to ensure the narration always stays clear. All these edits are non-destructive, meaning your original file remains untouched by any changes. Here is the efficient workflow I personally recommend for the fastest results possible. First, upload your single master video file to begin the process. Run the clip generator, mixing automatic selection with your own targeted topic keywords. Next, quickly review all the suggested clips and favorite the ones that look the most promising. Jump into the editor for those favorites to fine-tune the specific framing and subtitle details. Finally, plug those polished clips into your content calendar using the auto-schedule function. Following this method lets you create an entire week's worth of content in just an afternoon. The platform then manages the consistent cadence of posting on your behalf thereafter. It is important to mention a couple of small caveats to keep expectations realistic. While the AI is very accurate, it certainly isn't capable of actual mind reading. Messy audio or overlapping speech between two people can sometimes confuse the clip selection slightly. This is exactly why those manual trimming and speaker frame adjustments remain essential sometimes. For absolutely the best possible output, always upload the highest resolution video file available. Clean, high-quality audio is a major factor that helps the AI detect superior sound bites. Better source quality directly translates to more accurate frame detection from the algorithm. So that is the core overview of this powerful content repurposing solution. Ultimately, this tool saves you substantial time across the entire content pipeline. It automates finding viral potential, handles the social formatting crops, and manages the publishing schedule. This allows you to dedicate your focus to consistent, high-quality publishing strategy instead. If you regularly work with long interviews, panel discussions, or podcasts, this is ideal. It makes turning that long material into a steady flow of shorts incredibly simple. You bypass the most tedious and time-consuming aspects of manual short-form video editing completely. If you are ready to give this a try, the process is extremely straightforward to remember. Remember to export your source material as one single video file before uploading anywhere. Set your clip lengths and topics, generate, then fine-tune any framing issues using the selection tools. From there, style your captions, add music if you want, and either download or auto-schedule the output. It's a super straightforward way to keep that content engine running consistently all the time. Hope that helps you repurpose long videos into snackable social content easily. This is how I maintain a steady flow of engaging posts without spending countless hours on editing. If you have questions about specific framing problems or how I choose my topic keywords, drop a comment below. I will absolutely walk through more detailed examples to show you exactly what I mean. Thanks so much for watching this breakdown, and I will catch you all in the next video.